Right guys, I'm going to do a little video today, and this is how I'm going to talk about sticking skirting boards on insulated plasterboards. I've insulated plasterboarded all of my walls. I'm just sticking on my skirtings now. So cutting skirtings is not my favourite job, I hate it. But I thought I'd just talk about sticking them on rather than cutting miters and stuff, because there are much better people out there to tell you how to cut them and how to do the joins. But say hello, Alfie. Have you come to help, yeah? Yes, my boy. So I'm just using some C-Tech CT1 white. So this is a sealer, and it's also really good at sticking things on as well. I'm sticking it on, but I'm also putting some fixings in. I'm using these metal speed plugs. So I'll explain how they work. The reason why I love these is because, so these are the plugs here. So what you can actually do is you can actually just screw these in with a screwdriver straight into the plasterboard, and then you put the screw in and you get a really good fixing. So what I'll be doing is I'm going to be drilling a hole in there and there. I know there's wires here, so, but I shouldn't actually go anywhere near it because of the plasterboard. So what I'll do is I'll put one there, one there. I will drill it out so that the screw can be inside the wood and not be proud, so that I can fill that later. And I will be using the sealer as well, just to make sure that it's got an even stronger hold. I think it's best to, if you stick them on and you've got the screws in, you know it's not going to go anywhere and you're going to get a nice, decent fixing in it. I'm actually going to stick this one in now so that I can cut this bit back and then put another piece in, but I'll show you how I do that in a bit. But as I said, I'm not the world's best joiner, so I just do my best. I was drilling into here, and basically this is making the recess for the thing, and I'm getting a point there. But what I'm going to do now, I've said I've got the little holes going through so I know where they're going to pick up. So as she said, you can just put it on any open end, push it in, and that's it in. You can hear there, I've got a really good fixing in there now. And these are the screws you get with it. So I'll just stick one in here first. So this is actually super solid in now. But I've just put this on here now just so that I can get a cut. I'm now going to be using my multi-tool, and I'm just going to be cutting this back in line. Cut a piece from there to there, sticking a piece on here, and I will trace it. See how this one works. You can see it's actually pretty good on there. What I'll do is I'll sand this bit back. Screw in. Right, I'm going to sand this down now so that it will all match in. Right guys, that's my little tutorial on how to do these skirting boards. I'm going to finish off the rest of the room now. I'm just going to move some furniture around. Right guys, so thank you very much for watching this video. I got these skirtings from Skirting World. I don't know if that's any help for you if you're in the UK, but yeah, they seem pretty good. They're made of MDF, these ones, and they match with the rest of the house perfectly, so quick shout out for them. As I said, they're going on pretty nicely. I'm not the world's best joiner, so it takes me ages to do anything like this. So if you've got any tips for me, don't be afraid to leave them in below. Right, thank you very much for watching this video. I drop videos every Tuesday. If you want to watch more videos like this, I have videos here and here. Right guys, don't forget to subscribe and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.